We're in a Napa Valley Canyon after a fire a number of months ago. A number of different types of oaks, live oak, valley oak, blue oak, some of the common species here. Of particular interest is quite a large stump that is burned. And there was certainly a fire that was very hot. The surrounding trees are not as impacted though. There's even new growth up in the canopy here. Look very carefully. There's some new growth. So these trees will likely rebound. So it's believed the tree had a cavity, an existing large cavity, so there was decay and the inside was hollow to some extent. And I expect that creates more surface area for the fire. So the trees that have cavities create a chimney, more or less. The fire goes up through the cavity and comes out the top if there's a hole for it to exit, or even if there's not. So the trees with defects, with large cavities, if there's a hot, extensive fire, seem to be more impacted than the surrounding trees that will likely recover, since it's only been a number of months and there's already new growth. So in some cases, the larger trees are more resilient, thicker bark, more able to withstand a prolonged hot fire. They have more reserves to push out new growth. But in that case, we're seeing the large cavity of an old tree put it at risk, and the tree's no longer there. So it really depends on the heat of the fire. And the age of the tree is one of the factors for survival, but certainly not the only. Beautiful California canyon in the winter.